My name is 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I also happen to have an amazing TikTok following, okay? So this is my first video that I'm going to be doing on TikTok, because I feel like there's not enough information out there, and I want to give you guys some tips on how to grow your TikTok head, okay? So just to give you a little background, I have been using social media for my business for at least 7-8 years now. I run Facebook, Instagram, YouTube now, which is kind of new to me still. Any platform I could get, LinkedIn, anything, I'm going to be there. So let me tell you the story on TikTok for me, okay? So it started December 2018. I posted one video. Didn't go well. I didn't understand the platform. I thought, this is just for kids. Like, I don't understand this. How can I possibly get clients or, you know, teach them hair, blah, 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 you know? I don't know. So I did another video in April of 2019. I didn't know what I was doing, so of course it didn't do well. I did about maybe 8 more between when I first started in December 2018 till October 24th, 2019. That was the day everything changed, okay? We happened to put out a really great video and it went viral. That video, I went from 17 followers, who I will say most of them were my son's friends, and my son's in 5th grade, okay? So that was my clientele on TikTok. I ended up having over 10,000 followers within that week, okay? From that point on, I said, okay, there's something here. There's something here, and I get it now, because I had heard from a lot of people that TikTok is taking off and I need to get on the platform, so I did. The good thing is I already knew social media, okay? So I knew what I needed to do. However, TikTok's a little bit different. It's a little bit different than Instagram. It's a little bit different than Facebook. And if you're brand new, you don't know any of this. So I'm gonna give you guys some advice for starters today, okay? One of my first tips for you is find a teenager, okay? I know you got a son, a daughter, you got a friend that has kids, you know somebody in that age demographic of between 11 and 17, right? Find them, talk to them, give them 20 bucks and say, hey, can you help me set this up real quick? Give me some guidelines, give me what are you looking at, okay? I'm wearing this champion shirt right now because of my son, who is 11, okay? I thought he was crazy. He said, oh, I want champion shirts. And I'm thinking, champion? Like, that's so old. Like, what are you talking about? Lo and behold, it's everywhere on TikTok. Everywhere. And he knew the trend before I even knew it. And that was just a few weeks ago, okay? So I keep data on him, and I'm like, hey, what do I need to do? He'll tell me. He'll be like, I was like, ooh, I want to do this trend. He's like, Mom, that's old. So he is my #1 source, that kid, okay? So get in touch with somebody that has a child on TikTok, right? A friend, something, okay? When you're setting up your account, what I want you to do is treat it like Instagram. Pick a good username, something catchy, something that describes your niche, okay? Get a good username that's catchy and simple, okay? And that's to your brand, your niche, right? That's the next thing. TikTok, you cannot go out of niche. Keep it in your niche. I have tried it, okay? I've put out videos where it's non-hair related, it just doesn't do well. Those followers that I have, which by the way are over 120K right now, okay? They don't want to see that. Put it somewhere else. I'm actually gonna create a new personal TikTok page for me, and that's probably where I'm gonna put fun videos of me and my family and all that other stuff, okay? So keep it in your niche of what you're doing. Try not to go out of that, and you can make it relatable. So it doesn't always have to be like, I do hair. It doesn't always have to be necessarily me cutting hair and doing hair in the salon. we do a lot of, I'm trying to have a brain part of exactly what we do differently. But you can go check out my TikTok. It's called Tone Hair Salon. Easy, simple. The next thing is, what's great is if you're on Instagram or YouTube, you can connect those two outlets right there. So once you put in your information, you just put in the YouTube and Instagram handles right there, and there's one button, and I will show you guys. It'll be instantly connected. So if somebody's clicking on your profile, they can easily click onto one of your buttons and it goes right to YouTube or Instagram. It's super easy. All right, y'all, I can go on forever, so I'm gonna quit. Stay tuned for my next TikTok video, and I'm gonna tell you more. I currently have 120,000 followers. Follow me if you wanna know more, okay? Subscribe here, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, obviously, and I'm also on Facebook, okay?